Yo, no intro. I was I was driving down the street, right? And I see these shoes on the side of the road, and I saw both shoes. And I look at them, I was like, oh no, I gotta turn around. I'm out of breath. I just ran up this hill to go get them. I ran through like four or five lanes of traffic. But yo, I got some Griffies. Free. Just on the side of the road, dog. What size are they? It don't matter because they're going up. Size 10. They smell like chlorine. Let me put these over here behind. Size 10 Griffies. They smell like somebody went swimming and just threw them out because they didn't want them anymore. I don't care. You already know. I'll clean those joints up. Those joints will be money. Thank you to the guy who just handed me some free money. So these are the Griffies that I picked up on the side of the road. I'm gonna fully restore them. I tried to sell them as is. It didn't really work. So I did get the supplies I needed. As you can see, they need soles. There are some dirt spots on the white. We're gonna be touching those up. And I don't know, we might have to do a complete repaint of the whole midsole, because it does look kind of dingy and dirty. But for now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stuff the shoe with some paper. Got some paper, gonna stuff it in there and just try to help the shoe get some shape back, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I got my supplies. Here's one last look at the shoes as they currently stand. See, it's a lot of spots we're gonna have to hit up. So I got the nail polish remover. So right now I'm just gonna use tissues and I'm just gonna rub nail polish remover all over the shoe. See if it takes any of the dirt off. See if it takes any of the scuffing off, and basically get any clear coating that's on there off before I repaint. So the first thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to paint the tongue. So I'm gonna mix some Leather Studio White with just some water it down a little bit, because this is meshing. It does not need to be, completely blocked out. I don't want to accidentally fill the holes in. So just kind of like use the paint as dye and just get a nice fresh white coat on the tongue. All right, so I got them drying, but really quickly, there we go with the outsole. They've been painted. So as you see, the restore is coming along. So one thing I have left to do is obviously glue the sole to the shoe, and we should be good. Should be the front, the side. So yeah, and we gotta do some insole work. We gotta put some insoles in there. That shouldn't be too hard. I want to make sure I show everything. So one thing I did do was I did sprinkle some foot powder inside the shoes just to kind of freshen them up, get some of the funk out, kill any bacteria that may be in there. The shoes don't smell bad at all anymore. So that was a good decision. And other than that, I think I'm gonna call them done. Just gotta glue them together. I don't think I can make them look any better than what they look, which is like a huge improvement. I'm definitely gonna touch that up right there and go into that one. Looks good. The other side and touch that up a little bit, but other than that, I'm gonna call them done. And here are the final results from the restore. It looks pretty good. As you can tell, the gray covered very well. There's still some spots right there I could cover it back up, but I'm actually not going to keep these because the heels, they did not take the shoe glue very well. I don't really like how that came out, and I don't think I'm going to use shoe glue. I think that's what I learned from this experiment. I learned that you could paint midsoles pretty successfully with Leather Studio paint. As you see, the gray looks great. Looks almost new condition. I probably would just have to do like some touch-ups, but I'm really not happy with how this shoe glue came out. It just really came out really sloppy, really bad. And I'm not going to be using shoe glue in the future. I think I'm gonna use regular rubber cement, or I might even use Gorilla Glue or something like that. I'm gonna try different things in the future. But yeah, that was the results of the restore. I'm very happy with the paint work. I'm not very happy with the glue work. I'm not going to add laces to these because there's really no point, because I'm probably just going to end up redonating these back. I know I found them on the side of the street. I probably just will donate them to charity. So yeah, that's basically going to be the end of it. As you see, we've got soles in there. So all somebody has to, oh, you know what? I probably will throw in the laces. Why not? But yeah, that's all we have to do, man. So that's basically done. We're going to call that done. Peace. And for those of you wondering, here's how they look laced. So there you go, they're done. As I said, I do not like how the heels came out. Just not really happy with the glue job, but the shoes, the paint job is all right. I mean, they're wearable, but really the glue job is not very good. I would need something way stronger. I probably need brand new heels. Like, I would probably need that whole orange piece. I probably need a whole new piece, and I'm not going to go through all that, you know, getting donor shoes and all that. I'll probably just donate these to charity like this. So there we go, brand new restore shoes. I'll get me a nice tax write-off, and somebody else would be happy with these. Peace.